Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Rekti Raman, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 13 of chapter 13, lines and angles. One question is written here. Question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following. Find the complement of each of the following angles. So question number 1 is complement of 35 degrees. So write the complement of 35 degree. The complement of 35 degree equal to 90 degree minus given angle equal to 90 degree minus 35 degree equal to subtract here 10 minus 5 5 degree 8 minus 3 5 degree 55 degree answer. Next question number 3. The complement of 60 degree. The complement of angle 60 degree equal to 90 degree minus given angle. So 90 degree minus given angle is 60 degree. So 90 degree minus 60 degree equal to 30 degree. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following. Question number 1 80 degree and question number 2 105 degree. So question number 1 of 2, the supplement of 80 degree equal to 180 degree minus given angle. 180 degree minus given angle equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Answer. Next question is question number 3 of question 2. The supplement of 105 degree. The supplement of 105 degree equal to 180 degree minus given angle equal to 180 degree minus given angle is 105 degree. Subtract here 75 degree. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of exercise 13. In this question, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So let the required angle be x. So by by property of supplement angle, by property of supplement angle. By property of supplement angle, x plus x equal to 180 degree. That implies x plus x 2x equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree by 2 equal to 90 degree. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. It is very important question for you. In this question, in the given figure, AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. And the ray OC stand on it. OC stand on line AB. If angle AOC equal to 2x minus 10 degree and BOC 2x minus 10 degree and BOC equal to 3x minus 20 degree. Angle BOC equal to 3x minus 20 degree. Find the value of x. Also find angle AOC and angle BOC. First of all, find the value of x. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Why? Then by linear pair. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Solve it. That implies angle AOC equal to 2x minus 10 degree plus angle BOC equal to 3x plus 20 degree equal to 180 degree. Next step, 2x plus 3x equal to 5x minus 10 degree plus 20 degree. So plus 10 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies 5x equal to 180 degree plus 10 degree by transposition changing to minus 10 degree. 180 degree minus 10 degree equal to 170 degree. That implies x equal to 170 degree by 5 equal to divide it. 5 3 ja 15, 17 minus 15 2, 2 and 0 20, so 5 4 ja 20, 34 degree. The value of x is 34 degree. Answer. Now find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. AOC equal to 2x minus 10 degree. 2 into value of x is 34 degree minus 10 degree. 34 into 2. 4 2 ja 8 and 3 2 ja 6. 68 degree minus 10 degree equal to 58 degree. Answer. Next answer, find angle value of angle BOC. BOC equal to 3x plus 20 degree equal to 3 into 34 plus 20 degree equal to 3 into 34. So 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12 of 2 carry 1. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10. 102 degree plus 20 degree equal to 122 degree answer. Student, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9. In this question, in the given figure, two straight lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. If angle AOC equal to 42 degree, find the measurement of each of the angles. First, angle AOD, AOD. 2, angle BOD, and 3, angle COB. Students, we know that if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle AOC equal to angle BOA, and angle AOD equal to angle COB. So first of all, given angle AOC equal to 42 degree. Question number 1, we have to find the measurement of angle AOD. Angle AOD. Friends, cover it. So angle AOC and angle AOD form a linear pair. So angle AOD plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree bilinear pair. Next step is angle AOD plus angle AOC equal to 42 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies angle AO, it is angle AOD. Angle AOD equal to 180 degree minus 42 degree equal to 180 degree minus 42 degree. 10 minus 2, 8, and 7 minus 4, 3, and 1 minus 0, 1. 138 degree. Answer of value of angle AOD. Now next, into find angle BOD. Angle BOD equal to angle AOC. Angle BOD equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle, equal to 42 degree. Answer by VOA, vertically opposite angle. Next, question number 3. Find the measurement of angle COB. Angle COB equal to angle AOD by vertically opposite angle, equal to angle AOD equal to 138 degree by VOA. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is 11. It is last question. In this question, in the given figure, rays OA, OB, OC and OD are such that angle AOB equal to 56 degree, angle BOC equal to 100 degree, angle COD equal to X degree, and angle DOA equal to 74 degree. Find the value of X. Students, we know that the angles, the sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree. We know that the sum of the angles around a point is 360 degree. So angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA equal to 360 degree. That implies angle AOB equal to 56 degree plus angle BOC equal to 100 degree plus angle COD equal to X degree plus angle DOA equal to 74 degree equal to 360 degree. Next step is add 4 plus 0 4 plus 6 plus 4 10 of 0. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 5 13 of 3. Carry 1. Now 1 1 2. 230 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Next step is x equal to 360 degree minus 230 degree equal to 0 minus 0 0 degree, 6 minus 3 3 and 3 minus 2 1 130 degree the value of x. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 13. Thank you. That's all.